Hey there, savvy investors and aspiring financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we unleash the secrets of the stock market and embark on a journey to financial freedom. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any of our wealth-building adventures. Today, we're diving into a fascinating world of investment strategy that has stood the test of time and created fortunes for legendary investors like Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham. That's right, we're talking about the art of value investing. A path less traveled by many, but a game changer for those who dare to explore it. So you might be wondering, what makes value investing so special? Well, imagine being able to find those hidden gems in the stock market, those undervalued diamonds in the rough that have the potential to skyrocket in value. It's like discovering buried treasure and turning it into a golden opportunity. In this video, we'll take you by the hand and walk you through the ABCs of value investing, tailor-made for beginners like you. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking to refine your approach or a complete newcomer eager to dip your toes into the vast ocean of investing, this video will be your guiding light. But hold on tight, because value investing is not just about crunching numbers or analyzing financial statements. It's a mindset, a philosophy that focuses on understanding the true worth of a company and investing with a long-term vision. We'll show you how to navigate the turbulent seas of the stock market and anchor your decisions in solid research and rationality. We'll delve into the timeless principles that value investors swear by and share real-life success stories of individuals who turned modest investments into life-changing gains. However, we won't shy away from discussing the risks and challenges that come with value investing. Remember, every treasure hunt has its share of pitfalls, but we'll equip you with the knowledge and tools to overcome them. So, buckle up your seatbelts, folks, because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the essential knowledge and newfound confidence to embark on your own value investing journey. Get ready to transform your perception of the stock market and join a lead of smart, patient, and strategic investors. Don't forget to like this video if you're excited to embark on this adventure with us. Now, let's set sail for the fascinating world of value investing, where patience pays, knowledge is power, and fortunes await those who seek them. Let's go. A value investing strategy is based on buying undervalued investments and holding on to them for an extended period of time. Generally, value investors focus on strong companies with a long history of solid returns and aim to purchase those stocks when they appear to be underpriced. Though value investing takes time and patience, it's a popular strategy among many well-known investors. Warren Buffett, for instance, considers himself to be a value investor. Never count on making a good sale, Buffett has stated. Have the purchase price be so attractive that even a mediocre sale gives good results. That sentiment is shared by many value investors, who intend for their stocks to trend positively over the long term, rather than trying to time the market or pick a growth stock that may or may not experience meteoric short-term growth. How does value investing work? In theory, value investors buy stocks with a significant delta between the current price and the stock's intrinsic value. Over time, and as other investors notice this delta and purchase the stock, the price corrects. In turn, the investors' portfolios gain value. Value investing is a slower process, though. If investors can't hold out long enough for that investment to correct, or that expected correction never comes at all, they may still find themselves losing money. All stocks are unpredictable, and there are no guarantees when it comes to investing. 5 value investing principles. There are 5 general principles of value investing. The price is right. When it comes to choosing value investments, investors are looking for stocks that are underpriced compared to the company's intrinsic value and are likely to gain value over time. The companies are established. Seasoned value investors look for reliable companies with a history of steady growth, a solid financial structure, and a strong management team. Although none of that guarantees future growth, companies that have shown progress for years, or even decades, may be more likely to continue on an upward trajectory. Dividends are usually offered. Value investing typically involves seeking out companies that consistently pay dividends, as dividends are generally associated with more mature and established companies. Newer companies tend to reinvest in their business. By paying dividends to investors, these companies indicate that they are moving out of the initial growth phase and feel financially stable. Growth is slow but steady. By definition, value investing stocks are most likely to provide consistent growth in the years to come, but they generally won't involve explosive growth. Value investing instead focuses on buying stable investments at a good price, then holding on to them as they steadily, albeit slowly grow. Diversification still matters. Regardless of the investments purchased, value investors still recognize the importance of portfolio diversification as a way to amplify growth and hedge against loss. Growth versus value investing. The value investment strategy is different from a growth investing approach. With growth investing, investors try to find and purchase stocks that they expect to have explosive short-term growth. Think stocks like Amazon or Tesla, which have seen unprecedented success in recent decades. These are generally newer companies, although their assets and financial history don't necessarily support their stock price and may even seem overvalued. These investors believe the potential for growth warrants the risk. Here are the key points of difference between value and growth investing. Typical stock price. Value investing focuses on stocks that are perceived to be reasonably or underpriced, whereas growth investing focuses on stocks that may appear overpriced. Expected growth timeline. Value investing takes a long-term view, whereas growth investing takes a short-term view. Dividends. Value investing usually involves stocks that pay dividends, whereas dividends are uncommon in growth investing. Typical company age. Value investing focuses on older, established companies, whereas growth investing focuses on newer companies. Some investors will choose value investing versus growth investing, or vice versa, if it better aligns with their risk tolerance. Other investors may choose to balance their portfolio with a blend of value and growth stocks. Choosing a value stock. To sift through potential value stocks, investors will typically do extensive fundamental research, including the following. Examine the company's history. Investors want to know, does the company's past indicate strong leadership, values, and a history of innovation? Consider the company's assets and financial stability. Investors often analyze the company's solvency, financial management, and asset stability. Scrutinize the company's future plans and projections. Does the company hold patents or specialized technology that competitors don't? Do they lead the industry in innovation or have other advantages? Determine whether dividends are offered. Dividends are not required for a stock to be a value investment. They are frequently offered by mature, financially stable companies, however, which may signal value potential to investors. Analyze the industry. Certain industries are cyclical by nature. Although the stock prices may rise initially, that growth may be lost further into the cycle. The bottom line. Value investments are a common choice when it comes to promoting stable, long-term portfolio growth and potentially earning dividends along the way. They require patience and time, but remain popular among some of history's most successful investors. And that's a wrap, fellow investors. We hope you enjoyed this thrilling dive into the captivating realm of value investing. If you found this video helpful and insightful, be sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends who might also be interested in the world of finance and investing. Remember, the journey of a value investor is not a sprint, but a marathon. Take your time, be patient, and never stop learning. The stock market is full of opportunities, and armed with the right knowledge and mindset, you can navigate its twists and turns with confidence. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on future videos where we explore various investment strategies, financial tips, and inspiring success stories. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences with value investing in the comments below. Have you had any big wins or learned valuable lessons along the way? Let's engage in the discussion, and who knows, you might inspire others in their investment journey. Lastly, always remember that financial education is the key to building a secure and prosperous future. So keep feeding your mind with valuable insights and surround yourself with a supportive community of like-minded individuals. Thank you for joining us today on this incredible adventure. Until next time, may your investments be wise, your portfolio diversified, and your journey towards financial freedom be filled with joy and success. Stay curious, stay invested, and keep chasing those hidden gems. Happy investing.